What is something that permanently altered your body without you realizing for months or years? Obstructive sleep apnea. When you already know you have some mental troubles, you think that explain your drowsiness and low mood, and don't look for more issues. It does not only hurt your cardiovascular system, it may slowly destroy your life. If you are overweighted, obese, snore at night, and or feel sleepy all day, go see your doctor. Another one, pregnancy. I had twins. I got huge in the tummy. I had the babies, and it left this pot belly that wouldn't go away. Fast forward, the twins are 8 years old. I am 7 weeks post-op of having my diastasis recti corrected. You know that center line down the abs? Mine had split. There was a 6 to 8 inch gap down the middle, the whole way down. The pot belly that I kept punishing myself for, the baby fat I couldn't lose, those were my organs. My digestive organs were all herniated. I now have to forgive myself for 8 years of unjustified self-hatred. It isn't always just fat.